BluntCut MetalWorks, February 11, 2022. This is my CPM Magnacut at 63.5 Rockwell and at 15dps, and I want to sharpen this edge geometry because I want it to be sort of general purpose use. So instead of testing it at a smaller angle, thickness behind the edge of this is 0.13 millimeter thick, or which is 0.005 inch. So which is 5,000. Anyway, I mean the initial edge is the edge finish 600 grit diamond plate using Edge Pro. So pretty decent sharpness, and so it's basically this could be hunting or some cutting, general purpose cutting. And so start out, there's some bamboo. Some 4x4. Hopefully I don't have anything embedded into here. And some scissor rope. Instead of cutting, I'm going to be, because it same as a general purpose. And this is Argentine lignum vitae. This is again, this is a hard test right here. I don't think Magnacut is going to survive with this is antler tips here, antler tips. So anyways, it's 15dps. Basically, testing that up to the end, it's still cutting from book paper. Okay? All right. So that is a good checkpoint, because if it, of course, you're not going to just whittle antler tip all the time, but that's fine. I mean, previous heat treat the subgrade too fine, so that the edge doesn't have the bending strength, the stiffness. So that's why it fell. Anyways, I'm going to just chop some rope here. This is beef rib bone. It's we'll see how how this does. Anyway, it's got to bounce it around. Alright, so just symbolic, I guess. And we'll see, if you are going to dress a big game or something, and if you do bone contact, that is more than the cooked bone here, and this thing is pretty hard. We'll see if it's damaged. It do just fine. So this is the part of hate to get a mess thing up, but say if you were, if I were, or you were, what a mess. Okay, I shouldn't have done that. Okay, anyway. You can try these, rib bone yourself. I've been working using some of these. Like that's 125V, 13 degrees precise in the kitchen. It worked fine. But anyway, maybe we'll test this way, thinner angle later. But pass or don't test. So in other words, the latest the SICK one, I call SICK one, which will end up with the OC32 here, the TG11, is well, a lot stronger in terms of the edge strength. Now, okay, so instead of end the video without inflicting something, this is 16, I think 40D now, I think. Okay. I push them in terms of really control here, not really, uncontrolled. So we'll try to see the penetration and what is the damage. So like this. Obviously, you don't go and with a nail very often. With a nail here. Get a band-aid. Definitely, it's so tiny. Anyway, in terms of, well, it might have something, but it's not worth taking a magnified picture. Thanks for watching.